Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world, exploring the intricate web of life that surrounds us. I'm your host, David, and I'm delighted to share with you a tale of courtship and display, set against the stunning backdrop of the Galapagos Islands. In this enchanting archipelago, a most remarkable spectacle unfolds during the mating season of the Frigatebirds. These charismatic creatures have evolved an extraordinary strategy to attract potential mates, a display so elaborate that it's considered one of the most impressive among seabirds. The male frigatebird, with his sleek black plumage and striking red throat pouch, is the epitome of avian charm. As he prepares to woo his female counterpart, he inflates this vibrant pouch to its fullest extent, a beacon of passion and virility. Imagine, if you will, a gathering of up to 30 male frigatebirds perched atop trees, their 7 to 8 foot long wings outstretched in unison as they perform an aerial ballet. The air is filled with their shrill cries and cacophony of sound that echoes across the islands, signaling to females flying overhead that these males are ready to mate. This grand display is a testament to the complex social dynamics at play within the frigatebird community, where monogamy reigns supreme for the duration of the breeding season. The female frigatebirds, discerning and selective in their choice of partner, typically mate only every other year, due to the prolonged period of chick rearing, which can last an astonishing 6 to 18 months. This protracted parental investment underscores the significant resources required to raise their young, highlighting the intricate balance between reproductive strategy and environmental pressures. As we observe these magnificent creatures, we're reminded of the awe-inspiring diversity of life on Earth, where each species has evolved unique adaptations to ensure its survival and success. The frigatebird's mating display serves as a poignant example of the interconnectedness of ecosystems, where individual behaviors contribute to the rich tapestry of life that envelops our planet. In a world where human activities increasingly impact the natural balance, stories like that of the frigatebirds inspire us to appreciate the beauty and complexity of nature. They remind us of our responsibility as stewards of the Earth, to protect and preserve these incredible ecosystems for future generations. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. Today, we're taking a fascinating journey into the world of species naming, where the intersection of science and celebrity meets. You might be surprised to learn that many famous individuals have had plants and animals named after them, often in recognition of their contributions to conservation, science, or simply because they've captured the imagination of the scientists who discovered these new species. Let's start with a man who needs no introduction, Stephen Colbert. The American comedian and television host has had not one, not two, but several creatures named in his honor, including a wasp, a trapdoor spider, and a diving beetle. It seems Colbert had jokingly requested that scientists name something cooler than a spider after him, with suggestions like a giant ant or a laser lion. While those might sound like exciting discoveries, the scientists involved decided that beetles were where it's at, and thus we have species like Agaporomorphus colberti. But Colbert isn't alone in this unique form of recognition. Historical figures like Queen Victoria also have a plethora of species named after them. In her case, not only do we find animals such as the Victoria crowned pigeon and Queen Victoria's birdwing butterfly, but there's even an entire genus of giant water lilies bearing her name. It's a testament to the enduring legacy of such individuals that they continue to inspire and influence fields far beyond their own. Moving into the realm of Hollywood, actors like Leonardo DiCaprio and Harrison Ford have also found themselves immortalized in the scientific community. DiCaprio, known for his environmental activism, has had trees, water beetles, and frogs named after him. Meanwhile, Ford, despite his fictional character Indiana Jones's fear of snakes, has had species including a snake, a spider, and an ant named in his honor. It's a humbling reminder, as Ford himself noted, of how much there is still to learn about our world and the interconnectedness of all living things. Even former President Barack Obama has seen his fair share of species named after him, ranging from bees and spiders to water beetles. And then, of course, there's the naturalist and broadcaster David Attenborough, with over 50 species carrying his name, a true acknowledgement of his contributions to our understanding and appreciation of the natural world. These stories not only highlight the whimsical side of scientific naming conventions, but also underscore the impact that individuals can have on how we perceive and interact with nature. As we continue to explore and discover new species, it's intriguing to think about who might be next to join this list and what their contributions will mean for our planet. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. As we conclude today's journey through the fascinating realm of the natural world, we find ourselves delving into a mystery that has puzzled paleontologists for decades. A fossil, once thought to be the oldest known octopus, has been re-examined, and its true identity has shed new light on the evolution of cephalopods. Imagine walking along the shores of an ancient sea over 300 million years ago, where creatures that would eventually give rise to modern octopuses, squids, and nautiluses began their evolutionary journey. Among these early inhabitants of our planet was a fossilized sea creature found near Chicago, initially classified as an octopus and named Courtship mazonensis. However, its age posed a significant problem for scientists trying to understand the timeline of cephalopod evolution, as it predated other known octopus fossils by at least 150 million years. Recent research published in Proceedings of the Royal Society B has revisited this enigmatic fossil using high-powered X-rays. These advanced techniques have illuminated different chemicals within the preserved minerals that formed around the soft tissues before they decayed, providing a clearer view of Courtship. A crucial discovery was the presence of a radula, the rasping tongue found in many mollusks, including snails and cephalopods. The structure of this radula, with at least 11 teeth per row, is more consistent with that of a nautilus rather than an octopus, which typically has 7 or 9 teeth per row. This finding suggests that Courtship was not an ancient octopus, but likely a partly decomposed nautilus. The absence of a shell in the fossil can be explained by the process of decay, as modern nautiluses have been known to separate from their shells as they rot. This reclassification has significant implications for our understanding of cephalopod evolution, indicating that octopuses as a group may be much younger than previously thought. As we stand at the crossroads of this new discovery, we're reminded of the dynamic nature of scientific inquiry and the importance of revisiting old mysteries with fresh eyes and advanced technologies. The story of Courtship serves as a testament to the evolving narrative of life on Earth, where each new finding can reshape our understanding of the past and guide us toward a deeper appreciation of the natural world. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.